You know how sometimes you just wake up hungry? That rarely happens to me, but it did today. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I apologize for my voice this morning. It keeps coming and going. It's that time of year where I live, so weather's trying to change. We're still around 80 degrees most days, so it's not been fun. It shouldn't be that way in November, but it is. Now, I don't normally eat breakfast this early in the morning. I usually don't eat my first meal till between 11 and 12 o'clock. But I've been up since 4:15 a.m. and I've had my coffee. That's long been gone. And it's 7:30. So I'm getting hungry. So come on, let's go make some breakfast. I bet you can't guess what we're having for breakfast this morning. You see, at first glance, you already think I'm having sausage and muffins. But I'm not. Let me take you on over here with me, and I'm going to show you what's for breakfast today. We're going to start off with these fully cooked sausage patties. I don't normally buy fully cooked sausage, but I got these on sale for about $1 a box at Publix, and that was with their sale and coupons, and I thought I'd give these a try. So if anybody has eaten these before, leave me a comment below. Let me know how you liked them. I guess I'll find out this morning whether I do. So let's get these on this griddle. Okay, I've got my 2 sausage patties on my griddle. Now while these are over here getting thawed out and heated up on this griddle, let's go over here and get started on the star of the show. You want to start by getting you a mixing bowl. You want to take you a muffin mix. It doesn't matter what flavor. Whatever flavor you have in your pantry will be just fine. So I'm going to use blueberry cheesecake muffin mix. You want to pour your muffin mix right in your bowl. Next, you want to take some milk and you want to add a half a cup to your muffin mix. Next, you want to take 1 egg. You want to add your 1 egg in with your muffin mix and your milk. You want to get that all mixed up together. Whisk it real good, try to make sure there's not any lumps in it. Now this is an important step. You want to set this aside for 5 minutes so that these ingredients can come together and thicken up a little bit. While I'm waiting on my mix to set up a little bit, we're going to check on this sausage. That's looking pretty good. I think this sausage is about done, so I'm going to go ahead and take it up and put it on this plate on a paper towel so it can drain a little bit. We'll set that to the side. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. That has set up and thickened up pretty good. So next, I'm going to take some butter. And I'm just going to put some butter on my griddle. I know it's a non-stick griddle, but I'm putting butter on it anyway. Okay, next you're going to take your mixture. See how it thickened up some? That's how you want it, because we're not making muffins. We're going to make pancakes. We are going to make blueberry cheesecake pancakes with muffin mix this morning. You're just going to take it just like you would any other pancake mix, and you're just going to put it out on your griddle or your pan, however you fix yours. Now this is going to make more than what I will eat in one sitting, but if I have a couple of them left, that's fine. These freeze very well. So if you make more than enough, just put them in the freezer. So I got 5 pancakes out of that one little mix, and you could get more than that if you made them a little smaller. See, I've got one little one over here. That was what was left. So what you're looking for when you're making pancakes, whether you're making pancakes out of this muffin mix or whether you're making homemade pancakes, what you're looking for is to start seeing little bubbles. It takes probably around 3 minutes, and you'll start seeing bubbles forming. Let's see if I can zoom in on some bubbles here. You see you've got a couple starting to pop up in there. Not many in the bigger ones yet. But when the bubbles start forming, you're going to take and you're going to flip these pancakes over. If you're cooking these on a griddle, you want to cook them between 3 and 350. They're looking really pretty. They look like they're going to be really nice and fluffy. I don't think that one's quite ready yet, so we'll give it a couple of minutes. You don't want to cook your pancakes on too high of a temp, because if you do, you get the outside golden brown and the inside isn't quite done yet. So even if you cook them low and it takes a little bit longer, the outcome is definitely worth the wait. So I've got them all turned now. They look and smell delicious. So here's our simple, easy breakfast. I'm going to put some butter on those pancakes. So I've added butter. Now I'm just going to use some syrup on mine. Just regular syrup. And there you go. A delicious, easy, very quick breakfast for one person in a matter of a few minutes. It looks delicious. Let's go eat. Now I'm going to cut into one of these pancakes for you and show you what it looks like on the inside. They're light, fluffy, filled with flavor. So there you go. Sausage and pancakes for breakfast. So if you're wanting some pancakes and you don't have any flour, and you don't want to have to go to the store to get any, but you have a muffin mix hanging around, just grab that muffin mix, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, and make you some pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this Cook Breakfast With Me video. Give it a like, share this video, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.